guys, welcome back to Cheers.
Hi, we have another favorites video for you.
If you guys want to see what our favorites are for the month of January, then just keep watching.
Mine are mostly just from like Laura and her mom. So this has been like a definite favorite of mine. They're the ColourPop. It came in like this brow kit, but it's the ColourPop brow pencil in the color Taupe. And then the ColourPop Brow Boss in the same color. But basically the one with the white lid, the Brow Boss, it's a lighter color. And this is the one that I was like, Laura, mine, when I bought it from ColourPop, did not scroll up. But it's because it's like a different pencil. But this one I used to fill in like the front and like up until my tail of
like
the brow.
The feathering. And
I have no rhyme or reason. Like I literally just scribble it on and it looks fine. And then brush it through. And then this is, the Precision Brow Pencil is the one I use on just the tail. And like, it's literally the perfect combo. This one you can't scroll up and down. It's like once it's clicked up, it's clicked up. So don't click it up a lot. But yeah, this has just been like amazing. My brows are done in like less than 10 minutes, which is really fast for Chanel. Yeah, and like I want to say even like I can get them done in 5 minutes, like both of them, and I'm pretty like happy with them. Like I used it on my brows today, and so I don't know, it's just like super easy. And I definitely, if I run out, I'm gonna repurchase this.
Both the set.
Yeah, and the same color too. I think it matches pretty well. But yeah, I've been loving those.
Okay, well with me, I'm gonna go with my lashes. So I've been really liking these. They are the Ardell Natural 174 lashes. And they're not real, like mink or anything, but they're feathered like it is. So, so if you look at the ends of it, I have it on today too, but if you look at the ends of it, it has like a tapered effect, so it looks very real. They're a little bit more on the expensive side. I think just for one of them it was like around like $4 or $5.
Yeah, it was like $4.99.
Yeah. And I got both of these at Ulta, but when I saw them I was just like, oh my gosh, they look so good. They look so natural, like, I don't know.
But it's like, it's not like too natural where like, because Laura's lashes are already bomb to begin with. So when she wears like super natural lashes, you're just like, why? Like it literally looks no different
I know.
than if you just wear mascara.
The first time I had worn these, I actually wore it when I was going on like a double date with Chanel or something, I think. And so I was like in the car and Chanel like always comments on like, whenever my makeup is different or something. And then I was like twiddling my fingers and I was like,
I can't wait.
I know, I was like, Chanel, do you notice anything different about me? And she was just like,
no.
Your foundation, did it change? And I was like, no. And I was like, I'm wearing falsies. And then she was like, nuh-uh. So
I really can't tell.
And so she was like, I'll give you a close-up look of it. Don't mind my brows because at the request of a sub, they're like, can you just like show us how you grew your brows? So that's gonna be coming.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, so this is like week 1 of just untrimmed, unmanned brows. They're just a mess. But yeah, so I really like them. They look super natural and don't get clumpy like you would with mascara. Yeah. So that's what I like about it.
And it gives you like enough definition to where it's like, I bought the same ones. Laura was like, girl, you have to buy these. So we bought like the same lashes, I think.
Have you worn them yet?
I wore them on the proposal day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they were just like, and they're super comfortable. Like the band isn't like
super thick or anything.
Yeah.
And with I think it was in our last month's favorites video, but we also got the lash glue with that. Like if this duo like lasts all night.
Oh yeah,
seriously,
for sure.
Or all day.
Even if you cry.
Yeah.
You can cry as much as you want.
But I did notice that if you do use that lash glue, since it is like a brush applicator, you have to do it within like maybe 10 seconds of application, otherwise it dries too fast, which is really good for like, you know, if you're in a hurry and you just want to put on false lashes real fast.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Very nice. Sticking with the lash theme, Laura got this for Christmas for me. It's the Innisfree Skinny Waterproof Microcara. So it's a mascara, but the wand is super skinny. This is what the packaging looks like. But the brush is what kind of is really interesting about it. Look at how skinny it is. And if you, I don't know if you can see it or if it's picking up, but there's fibers in the mascara. So I've literally been wearing this every single day for work, and it's like the easiest thing ever. Like I don't even do my eyeshadow really. I put bronzer as like my eyeshadow for work because I just don't care. And then I curl my lashes and I literally just wiggle this through like a couple times, and like all your lashes are separated. It gets like the roots so they stay curled all day. And like today I wore this mascara like under my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. So I've been using this almost like a primer when I use it as like with other mascaras because it like sets my lashes in the way, I guess.
But I actually got this as part of Chanel's Christmas gift, and I hadn't tried it out personally, but I saw the reviews and I saw the brush and I was like, that brush looks like it could do work.
Yeah, it literally gets all your lashes. Yeah, and I think like again, I'm gonna probably buy this again when I run out, but so good.
Got this on Dulce if you're interested.
So good.
Sticking with makeup, my next favorite is the Physicians Formula Bear With Me Velvet Finish matte liquid lipstick. And it's what I have on my lips today. I've been really liking it for like a day to night look. Like and it has like a peachiness to it, but like it has like a darker undertone where it can still wear out for a darker or like a nighttime, especially with if you mix it up with the Spice lip pencil from MAC, which is my favorite one. Yeah, seriously, like you can't go wrong with this one. I don't have Spice on today because I wanted it to be a little bit lighter for the daytime wear.
Oh.
Yeah, and this one, it doesn't dry out my lips too much because it is a velvety finish, and so that's what I really like about it, more so than like other liquid matte lipsticks.
Yeah, I have that. Well, not the same color, but that is it.
Physicians Formula.
Yeah, I have that too, and so it kind of like, I mean, it transfers, but not a lot. Like it'll stay on.
Yeah.
And then if you go like this, it's a little sticky.
It's a little bit sticky.
Yeah, but I like that.
Yeah.
Like matte, like liquid, like ColourPop liquid lips. So dry.
I love the colors, but
I know it's too uncomfortable.
So drying.
Yeah. And then when you wear chapstick under it, like it breaks apart.
Oh.
Yeah,
really?
it's so gross. Yeah. Just not
Just
a good
don't do it. Yeah.
Speaking of ColourPop movies, we have like the same theme going.
I know.
This is the Christmas gift Laura's mom got me, but it's a ColourPop. I want to say it's the matte lipstick formula.
It's the Luxe lipstick.
Oh, Luxe lipstick. I don't know. But it is matte. And it's in the color La Lady.
La Lady.
La Lady. And then this is what the color looks like. And I'm wearing it on the lips tonight.
Yeah, that looks bomb.
And I mean, I don't wear it dark. Laura knows. I just like dab it on and blend it out. But
it's actually very similar to what I have on, I feel like.
yeah, it's just like a more, I don't know. It's like we're both in the brick family, but this is just, I don't know, more burgundy or ox-bloody.
Yeah.
But not enough to where it looks black.
Well,
you know what I mean. But like this is just really, I just dabbed it in the center and spread it out. If you like go in with it, it
really
gets pretty dark. It like literally is this color.
Okay, my last one is a skin thing, because you know your girl loves her skincare. Mine is from Skin and Lab, and it is the Glacial Clay Facial Mask, and it comes in like this very simple. I really like the packaging of this box. It's not like anything super cute, but it's very simple.
I love things like that. It just makes it feel like it's gonna do work for you.
But I keep it in the box because it comes with this spatula, which is really handy for when you want to get the product out. And it's like really flat and fat. As in,
sounds like
it's
me. And
And then this is the packaging of the actual container, which is very similar to that of the box.
She didn't deny what I just said. She just laughed. She's like, yeah.
Well, yeah. And I really, so the reason why I like this one though, still didn't deny it.
It's okay. I accept it. It's fine.
Is that it really sticks to the glacial aspect of it, because when you put it on, there is a cooling effect to it.
Ooh, I love stuff like that.
Yeah, and so like when I have like a stressful day or something, like, and I want to pamper my skin because I don't want to get breakouts from the stress, I like to use this. And like smell it though too.
Ooh, it looks cool.
Yeah. It has
it's like a eucalyptus.
Yeah,
smell.
eucalyptus, and I love the color of the product as well. It's like that minty green, like
pistachio
seafoam.
ice cream.
And it is a little bit grainy though when you put it on, but so for like girls with like sensitive or people with sensitive skin, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it too much because it does kind of sting if you have like any dry spots or like cracks in your skin. But like I'm just like, get it, get it out. Yeah. So if you do have drier skin though, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for the winter time. If you do want to use it just to like, I don't know, make your pores smaller or like clear it up, then I definitely recommend like a moisturizing mask after using this. Yeah. Which is what I always do anyways.
Laura goes in with the skincare, guys.
Yeah.
But yeah, those are our favorites. I can't believe it's already like a month into 2019.
I know. Time is flying by, guys.
So fast.
Anyways, well, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already,
give this video a like.
And subscribe and ring that bell so that you can be notified on all of our videos. We upload weekly on Thursdays, 5 p.m. PST. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Cheers to a good week.
See ya.